Vivanco, Rafael Vivanco. He's a very influential grower and producer in Rioja. He's very passionate about indigenous grapes. And I think he's an exciting figure because he really does straddle the history and the future of Rioja. You'll notice that this bottle is an unusual shape. It's copied from original Bordeaux bottles that were used in Rioja. So he's really combining the old, the traditional, and the new by going out in a different direction and bottling this grape on its own. He vinifies all those parcels individually, so he keeps the sites separate so he can really watch their development. He uses native yeasts, again, elevating the uniqueness of each vineyard site by letting them do their thing. The wine undergoes malolactic and second fill barrels. He uses batonnage. So of course that both of those things impact the texture of the wine. Please give it a taste, and then Christian is going to share with us a video from Señor Vivanco.
So this is Colección Vivanco Maturana Tinta. It's a special monovarietal of this grape, which was saved from extinction very recently. So it's a very, very interesting grape for Rioja in reds, not only as for monovarietals, as I said, but also for blends, because the grape variety, which is connected also to France, because over there this grape is known in Bordeaux as Castex, but again almost disappeared because of many problems growing it in the vineyard. But for us, this wine will bring freshness to Rioja. Freshness to Rioja means a very balsamic character. The pyracines of this wine, when you get maturation, it change into balsamic, into fresh fruit, into maturity, but fresh at the same time, which is a big challenge nowadays with climate change. It offers, again, high acidity, blue violets, blue flowers character, blue fruit as well, pepper as well, spiciness, and not too high alcohol and not too big a structure. So it can be pleasant immediately, which is great as well. So it's a very unique character, and I adore it. It's really special for me, and I think we are a pioneer in Rioja making this, and also a reference. Let's try it. This wine, being Colección Vivanco, we practice minimal intervention, so minimal, no racking, no filtration, no fining, using gravity in most processes. So you can see it immediately, it's really dense, high color intensity, remains young for many, many years, very seductive aromas, transporting you more to Bordeaux. But very fleshy, nice acidity, long as well. The freshness I mentioned before make them very, very appealing. And this wine needs even more a nice meat, a piece of meat or piece of food with protein and with a bit of fat to really enjoy it at its maximum. Enjoy it, and thank you.